Good morning, students. Today, exercise 6.5 problems we have to solve. We are going to solve exercise 6.5. First bit, first question 3, comma 3 by 2, comma 3 by 4, comma 3 by 8 are in GP. So already they are given, they are in the GP. Next, a1 is 3 and a2 is equal to 3 by 2. Then we have to find common ratio a2 by a1 is equal to 3 by 2 by 3. 3 cancel 1 by 2. And nth time an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. That is equal to a is 3 and r is 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. That is the answer. Second question 2 comma minus 6 comma 18 comma minus 54 are in GP. First term a1 is equal to 2 and second term a2 is equal to minus 6 and common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is equal to minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3. An is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. A is 2 and r is minus 3 power n minus 1. That is the answer. Third question minus 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 27 so on are in GP. And here first time is a1 is equal to minus 1 and a2 is equal to minus 3, r is equal to a2 by a1 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1 and that is equal to 3. An is equal to a r power n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into 3 power n minus 1. That is the answer. Second question given 5 comma 25 comma 125 so on are in GP. A1 is equal to 5 and a2 is equal to 25. R is equal to a2 by a1 is equal to 25 by 5, that is equal to 5. So r is 5. Then we have to find 10th term, that is a10 is equal to a r power 9. So a is 5 into r is 5 power 9 is equal to 5 power 10. Next an is equal to ar power n minus 1 is equal to a is 5 and r is 5 power n minus 1, that is equal to 5 power n minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, that is equal to 5n. Third question in that first one a1 is 9, r is equal to 1 by 3 and a7 we have to find, that is a is equal to a r power 6 is equal to a is 9 into 1 by 3 whole power 6 is equal to 1 by 81. Second question a1 is given minus 12 and 8 r is 1 by 3 and a6 is equal to r power 5 is equal to minus 12 into 1 by 3 whole power 5. So on simplification we get minus 4 by 81. Fourth question, first one in that 2, 8, 32 so on is 5, 12. A1 is 2 and A2 is 8. R is equal to A2 by A1 is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. N is equal to 5, 12. An is equal to formula A r power n minus 1 implies An is 5, 12 is equal to A is 2 and R is 4 power n minus 1 implies 2 power n is equal to 2 into 2 square power n minus 1 implies 2 power 9 is equal to 2 power 1 plus 2n minus 2 implies 2 power n is equal to 2 power 2n minus 1 implies 9 is equal to 2 power 2n minus 1 implies 9 plus 1 is equal to 2n implies 10 is equal to 2n, n is equal to 10 by 2 implies n is equal to 5. Fifth term is equal to 512. Next second one root 3 3 3 root 3 so on are in GP and is 729. So here first term is a1 is equal to root 3 and second term a2 is equal to 3 and common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is 3 by root 3. So 3 consists of root 3 root 3 root 3 root 3 cancel, then r is equal to root 3 and last an is equal to 729 last term. Formula an is equal to ar power n minus 1, already an is given, that is 729 is equal to a is root 3 and r is root 3 whole power n minus 1. 7 to 10 can be written as 3 power 6 is equal to root 3 whole power 1 plus n minus 1 bases are equal, index must be added, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, 3 power 6 is equal to root 3 power n. So squaring on both sides we get 3 power 6 whole power 2 is equal to 3 power n implies 3 power 12 is equal to 3 power n implies n is equal to 2. Here square and root gets cancelled. Third question 1 by 3 1 by 9 comma 1 by 27 so on are in GP is 1 by 2187. Here a1 is equal to 1 by 3 and a2 is equal to 1 by 9 and r is equal to common ratio 2 by a1 is equal to 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. R is equal to 3 by 9 and that is equal to 1 by 3. On simplification we get 1 by 3. An is equal to last term 1 by 2187 and formula an is equal to a r power n minus 1 is equal to an is a 1 by 2187 is equal to a is 1 by 3 and r is 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. So 1 by 2, 187 can be written as 1 by 3 power 7 is equal to 1 by 3 whole. Base are equal, next must be added 1 by 3 whole power 7. 1 plus n minus 1 implies 1 by 3 whole power 7 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 5 and cancel, we get 1 by 3 whole power n implies n is equal to 7 powers. We have to compare the powers, then we get n is equal to 7. Seventh term is equal to 1 by 2187. Fifth question, A12 the term we have to find. 12th term we have to find common ratio r is equal to 2, and 8th term A8 is equal to a r power 7 is equal to 192. It is given, implies a into r is 2 power 7 is equal to 192 implies a into 2 power 7 is 128 is equal to 192 implies a is equal to 192 by 128, and that is equal to 12 by 8. Further simplification, we get a is equal to 3 by 2 comma a 12th term is equal to a r power 11, that is equal to a is 3 by 2 into r is 2 power 11 is equal to 3 into 2 power 10 is equal to 3 into 2 power 10 is 1024 implies a12 is equal to 3072. Next, sixth question, a power 4 is given, that is ar cube is equal to 2 by 3. First equation, seventh term a7 is equal to ar power 6 is equal to 16 by 81 is also given. Consider that as equation 2. Now equation 2 by equation 1, what is equation 2? LHS ar power 6 by LHS of equation 1 ar cube is equal to 1681 by 2 by 3. So on simplification, we get r cube is equal to 16 into 3 by 81 into 2. Further, we get r cube is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube implies r is equal to 2 by 3. Substitute r in equation 1, that is a into 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 3 implies a is equal to 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 whole cube. Further, we get a is equal to 1 by 2 by 3 square implies a is equal to 1 by 4 by 9 implies a is equal to 9 by 4. Then we have to find the second term, a2 is equal to ar is equal to 9 by 4 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 2, and third term ar square is equal to 9 by 4 into 2 by 3 whole square. Then we get 9 by 4 into 4 by 9 is equal to 9 into 4 by 4 into 9, and that is equal to 1. List of GP. So first term is 9 by 4 and 3 by 2 comma 1, so on. Seventh question, first list, given first list, there are he given two lists of GPs, so in that we have to consider the first list. First list of GP are 162 comma 54 comma 18 comma so on. a1 is equal to 162 and a2 is equal to 54. Then r is equal to a2 by a1 is equal to 54 by 162, and that is equal to 1 by 3. And an is equal to ar power n minus 1, that is equal to 162. An is a is 162 and r is 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. Consider that as the equation 1. Also given second list of GP terms are 2 by 81 comma 2 by 27 comma 2 by 9 so on. Here first term a1 is equal to 2 by 81 and a2 is equal to 2 by 27, and r is equal to a2 by a1 is equal to 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. So further we get 81 by 27, that is equal to 3. An is equal to ar power n minus 1 is equal to a value is 2 by 81 and r value is 3 whole power n minus 1. So consider that as the equation 2. Now equation 1 is equal to equation 2 implies 162 into 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1 implies cross multiplication. If we take 162 into 81 by 2 is equal to 3 power n minus 1 into 3 power n minus 1. So base are equal, index multiplied by 3 power n minus 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 81 into 81 implies 3 power 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 is equal to 3 power 4 plus 4 is equal to 3 power 8. 3 power 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 power 8 implies 2n minus 2 is equal to 8 implies 2n is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, n is equal to 10 by 2, n is equal to 5. At fifth term, their nth terms are equal.